1,000 horsepower in an SUV that seats 7 people. This is 2026. What's up? Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful customized SUVs of 2026. These aren't your typical family haulers. We're talking supercar-destroying monsters that can still take the kids to school. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite, and let's jump straight into number 5. At number 5, the Hennessy Cadillac Escalade VH850. This American beast takes Cadillac's supercharged V8 and cranks it up to 850 horsepower and 870 pound-feet of torque. We're talking 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds in a 6,200-pound SUV. That's quicker than most sports cars. Hennessy upgraded the supercharger, added high-flow injectors, a new intercooler, and tuned everything perfectly. But it's not just power. You get upgraded brakes with 6 piston calipers, adjustable coilovers, and 22-inch forged wheels. Inside, pure luxury with 3 rows of seating, that massive OLED screen, and a 36-speaker sound system. This is the perfect combo of American muscle and luxury. Drop a comment if you daily drive this beast. Number 4 is the Brabus 900 Rocket Edition, based on the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63. When Brabus touches something, you know it's gonna be insane. They've taken the twin-turbo V8 from 603 horsepower all the way up to 900 horsepower and 922 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than a McLaren 720S supercar in an SUV. The performance, 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds and a top speed of 174 miles per hour. They had to limit it because the tires literally couldn't handle more. Brabus installed larger turbos, a less restrictive exhaust, upgraded internals, and their signature ECU tune. Exterior gets the full Brabus treatment, carbon fiber body kit, lower suspension, and massive 24-inch monoblock forged wheels. Inside, you can custom the leather in any color combo you want, plus Alcantara headliner and carbon fiber trim everywhere. This is pure German engineering meets absolute luxury. Comment Brabus if this is your pick. At number 3 is the Mansory Lamborghini Urus Venatus Evo. Mansory took the already wild Urus and turned it into something absolutely outrageous. Power, 900 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque from the twin-turbo V8. This thing hits 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. That's faster than the original Lamborghini Murcielago supercar. Top speed is over 205 miles per hour. The visual transformation is insane. Wide-body fenders add 4 inches of width, a massive front splitter scrapes the ground, functional side vents, and a rear wing that looks straight off a GT3 race car. Everything is forged carbon fiber with that signature weave pattern. You can spec it in crazy colors, neon yellow, electric blue, even chrome wraps. Inside, custom leather, Alcantara, carbon trim, and illuminated carbon panels that glow at night. This is pure Lamborghini madness in SUV form. Drop a fire emoji if you want this. Number 2 is the Novatec Maserati Trofeo Esteso. Italian elegance meets raw power. This uses Ferrari's twin-turbo V8, and Novatec has tuned it to 792 horsepower and 686 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in 3.6 seconds, and top speed is 187 miles per hour. But here's the best part. It sounds incredible. That Ferrari V8 produces an exhaust note that's pure Italian opera. Novatec added their Esteso wide-body kit with aggressive fender flares, new splitter, side skirts, and a dramatic rear diffuser with huge quad exhausts. The suspension is fully adjustable. Raise it for daily comfort or slam it for track use. The wheels are Novatec's signature NF1 forged pieces in 22 or 23 inches, wrapped in Pirelli P0 Corsa tires. Carbon ceramic brakes with 6 piston calipers handle the stopping power. This is for someone who appreciates Italian craftsmanship and needs serious speed. Comment Novatec if you're Team Italy. And that number 1, the Opt Audi RS Q8 Signature Edition. This is why it takes the crown. Opt has completely re-engineered the twin-turbo V8 to produce an insane 1,010 horsepower and 1,080 pound-feet of torque. That's over 1,000 horsepower, more than a Bugatti Veyron in a family SUV. The numbers are absolutely nuclear. 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. That's Porsche 911 Turbo S territory. Quarter mile in 10.5 seconds and top speed of 198 miles per hour. These are genuine hypercar numbers. Opt didn't just add power though. Full aero kit with front splitter, carbon canards, wide-body fenders, aggressive side skirts, and a massive rear wing. The suspension has 3 modes: comfort, sport, and track. They fitted 23-inch forged wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The brakes, massive 440mm carbon ceramic discs with 10 piston calipers up front. Inside, custom Napa leather seats with Alcantara, carbon fiber trim everywhere, and Opt logos precisely embroidered. But here's what makes this number one. It's the balance. Despite 1,010 horsepower, it's comfortable for daily driving. The Quattro all-wheel drive means you can actually use all that power. It's sophisticated, brutal, practical, and absolutely mind-blowing. This is the ultimate sleeper SUV. Looks like a modified RS Q8, but then you unleash 1,010 horses and destroy supercars costing 3 times as much. So there you have it, the top 5 most powerful customized SUVs of 2026. From 850 horsepower all the way up to that insane 1,010 Opt Audi. Which one is your favorite? Do you agree with my number 1 pick? Drop your answer in the comments right now. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. It really helps. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more insane automotive content. Share this with your car friends. They need to see these monsters. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, remember, in 2026, even SUVs are supercars. Peace.